Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to my channel Cooking Show at Home. Today I'll show you how to make a quick pickling recipe. We'll pickle cucumbers and marinate tomatoes and chili peppers.
Quick means these won't be for long-term storage, like over the winter. Instead, they'll be ready in just a few days, but they must be stored in the refrigerator.
For long-term storage, the technique is different, and I'll show you that in one of my upcoming videos.
You'll find a list of ingredients on the screen and also in the description below this video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemade recipes. The main element here is the brine. It's the same for all: cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers. Just boil water and dissolve coarse salt in it. For some reason, coarse salt always works better for pickling than fine salt. Before we start, let me say a few words about some ingredients that can be hard to find, like horseradish leaves and black currant leaves. I grow both horseradish and currants in my backyard, but if you don't have them, you can substitute. Horseradish leaves give a unique flavor and spiciness, and you can replace them with horseradish root, which is easier to find in US stores. Black currant leaves not only add flavor, but also provide tannins, which keep pickles nice and crunchy. If you can't find them, you can use sour cherry leaves or even regular oak leaves, since they're also rich in tannins. Now let's start. First, wash all the vegetables and herbs in cold water. For cucumbers, trim off the tips. Cut the garlic cloves in half. You don't need to peel them completely. Begin filling your jars. Add the herbs, garlic, and spices first. If you like a little heat, add a small chili pepper. Then pack in as many cucumbers as will fit. Pour in the hot brine. I already added my spices, black peppercorns, coriander seeds, and mustard seeds. For cucumbers, you don't need sugar or vinegar. These will be pickled cucumbers, not marinated. Cover the jar and set it aside to cool. Next, let's do the tomatoes. Same process, herbs and garlic first. Then pack in tomatoes. Add spices, and this time also add sugar and vinegar. You can mix the sugar and vinegar into the brine ahead of time. But since I'm using the same brine for cucumbers too, I prefer adding sugar and vinegar directly into the jars with tomatoes and peppers. Pour in the hot brine. Cover and set aside. Repeat the same steps with peppers, adding herbs, garlic, spices, sugar, and vinegar. Cover and set aside. Once everything cools down, place the jars in the refrigerator. After 2 to 3 days, they'll be ready to taste, and I'll let you know the results.
Several days later.
3 days later, my pickles should be ready. Let's try them and see how everything turned out. First, the cucumbers. They're still semi-pickled. The taste is great. After a few more days, they'll be fully pickled, but honestly, I really like them this way. Very crunchy, not too salty, full of aroma. You can taste all the spices, but it's not overwhelming. I think it could use a little more dill. I only used dried dill from my garden, but since I just bought some fresh, I'll add it now. Next, the tomatoes. The tomatoes are completely ready. A little sweet and a little sour, perfectly balanced. Not too much of either. They taste amazing. And finally, the peppers. Not bad at all, but I think they need more time. Their texture is tougher, so they take longer to marinate fully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!